I believe that you do not know how to set New Year's resolutions that are actually going to make you happier. And what I mean by this is you might have goals or specific things that you want to achieve, but when you achieve those goals or get that thing, it's not actually going to make you happier. It might give you a pleasure boost. It might have you feel good for 3 or 4 months, but it's not going to give you sustainable, lasting happiness and contentment. And that is what I really want for you. And if you don't start the year with clear and proven ways to be a happier person, it's going to affect all other areas of your life. It's going to affect your career. It's going to affect your relationships. It's going to affect your parenting. It's going to affect your health and your wellness and your immune system. The ripple effects are huge. How we start our year is really, really important. And unfortunately, 92% of New Year's resolutions don't sustain. They don't stick. And a lot of it is because you are choosing the wrong resolution. I am going to teach you many resolutions that you can choose from that are proven to make you feel happier in the new year. So the first is exercise. And I know a lot of people do exercise in January, February, and then it trails off. But exercise is so powerful. So that's one. Another is nutritious food, fruits and vegetables, healthy grains, healthy proteins. Fruits and vegetables are proven to make you feel happier. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night is a great one. Meditating for 10 to 20 minutes a day, whether that's guided meditation or just sitting quietly. Spending way more time with your friends and family where you are digital detox and free and just completely present with your friends and family. Choosing something that you want to learn, something that you're really, really passionate about is a wonderful resolution. So think about what you want to know in December, 12 months from now, and focus on how you can learn each month, each week, maybe even daily learning so that you achieve that learning goal. Spending time in Mother Nature, going to the mountains, going to the beach, going to the desert, going to the river, just getting outside. If you can increase the amount of time, again, without your phone, you are going to be happier for sure. Finding what gives you meaning and purpose. And this is really personal. You might get meaning and purpose from taking care of your elderly parents. You might get meaning and purpose from reading. You might get meaning and purpose from doing charity work. You might get meaning and purpose from your career. There's no right or wrong answer. But if you can spend more time each week on activities that give you meaning and purpose, then you are going to be happier. Watching inspirational videos, reading inspirational books, spending time around people who are optimistic and positive, really evaluating your social circle and looking at who's bringing me down. And in the same point, evaluating everyone you're following on social media. If you get onto Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or TikTok and you feel angry or jealous or you feel like your life isn't good enough, either spend time off social media or unfollow the accounts that are making you feel negative and not have those pleasant emotions. Having a gratitude practice 3 or 4 times a week where you're writing down what you're grateful for. And also savoring when great things are happening in your life, pausing and noticing and appreciating the good. We're so quick to move past the good and look for what's negative. But if you can savor the good, and just if that is your focus for next year, it's going to be a great resolution. Humor and laughter is another one. If you can increase the time that you spend laughing every single week, every single month, and that will be a wonderful, wonderful resolution that will make you feel happier as well. And there are many, many more. So I would say choose one and know that by focusing on your own happiness for the new year and choosing a resolution that will make you feel happier, you're going to be more successful. So if you would like a little more happiness, go to my website, arriveathappy.com. There's a free mini happiness class with 5 videos just for you on all different types of topics. So go and check it out. And if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's going to be a new video every single Friday morning at 10 a.m. Pacific. I want you to start your weekend right. I want you to have a successful week. And that's why I'm bringing you a new happiness video for yourself, as well as leading teams in happiness at work every single week.